according to the previous episode. How could Ty laugh?
It starts with this big mosaic. I can't say such strong words. The video will not pass.
It was used to
The
perfect
main
the
material
bamboo
of
shed.
lamb processing is as expected.
It's a guardrail wall,
Lamb's idea was to give this bamboo
although it
shed
is not useful for birds. Sometimes
But
looking
it's
good
nice.
is also a kind of
You
productivity.
know, for making videos. Can't support me.
After finishing the bamboo shed, let's
My
make an
stomach is
authentic
growling
slate
with
napkin this
hunger.
time.
Wash a stone.
It doesn't matter if the slate falls.
Just do it again.
I'm afraid not many
Dad
people are
said this
lucky enough
crab
to
was
be
burned
late.
with bone plates.
All the ingredients are poured wild mountain pepper sauce. Nutritional
Grilled
balance.
crab plus gathering cross-bundle new. Meat and vegetarian. So this is the real diet.
Do you think you can eat enough?
If it's for you to eat.
Thanks for watching this episode. Please also help like and support.
The video is here. We will continue to say goodbye in the next episode.